Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this new flicker model I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami house inside of a house. Or the white part can be an arrow, because it looks like an arrow also. And yeah, and you can draw on it like I did here. And I'm not an artist, by the way, but I think I did pretty good though. I don't draw, by the way, but yeah. The only time I draw is when I do origami like this, like I draw like this. Okay. But it even looks cool without the drawing too, see? It's an arrow inside of a house, or it can still be a house. And yeah, and the main thing is that it is a flicker. Check it out. An origami house inside of a house, and it's a flicker. Whoa. And what's cool about it is that you can decorate it, obviously, like I just showed. But it even looks cool without it too, without the decorating. See? This white part, it's an arrow inside of a house. And yeah, and it also flies. Whoa, did you see that? Okay, I know you guys want to learn how to fold it, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to fold it, and oh, by the way, what's also cool about it is that the arrow is actually magical. So, you turn it over and it disappears, but then when you shine a light from behind it, it reappears just like that. How cool is that? Alright, house inside of a flicker, here it goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Unfold, and fold in half this way. Unfold. And just fold 2 corners to the middle. Okay, unfold. And now fold this point to the intersection, to the crease you just made, and refold it. And repeat on this side. So fold this point to the crease you just made, and refold it on that crease. Okay, like this. Alright, and now what we're going to do is, we're going to fold this up so that this edge aligns with this edge. And don't fold it all the way across. Just align the edges. And you can just make a light fold all the way across. And also, yeah, these edges should align. And you can just make a light fold just about like this. Just a light one like that. Unfold, just enough so you can see the fold. And take this edge and fold it to that crease. Alright, make sure the edges align here. And this time you can fold it sharply. Like that. And now let's repeat on this side. So take this edge and fold it to this edge. And you don't need to make that fold very sharp. Just make that fold light. Just enough so you can see it. Just about like that. And these edges should align. Unfold. And take this edge and fold it to that light fold we made. Okay. And see, you might notice that it's already taken shape. Yep, this is the arrow, or the house inside, and this is the house. Okay. Now we're going to make a fold connecting these 2 points. So you can just kind of just start the fold like this. Now place it on the table or desk, and fold this up. And you want, here, I'm going to just kind of just reinforce those folds. Yeah, let's take this edge and fold it to this edge. I'm now discovering this. You can go ahead and kind of make it sharper right here, just enough so you can see it. Not super sharp, but, and repeat on this side. Fold this edge to here. I'm trying to make a guide mark. I'm not using my fingernail to crease, I'm just doing it like this. Unfold. Okay, now turn over. And I'm going to fold this up, making sure that this crease aligns with this crease, and this crease aligns with this crease. And you want the fold to go in between these 2 points, go through those points. Like this. Okay? So you can just kind of slide it up if you're not exact, and there you go, I'm right at the points right there. Okay, make that fold nice and sharp. All the way across. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to take that fold, make it, and we're going to fold it to, okay, where's my pen? We're going to fold it to these 2 points. So we're making a pleat fold like this. This is pretty small, not too small. Alright, just like this. That's what makes the shape of the arrow. And now turn over and make that fold nice and sharp. Okay, like that. And now take this edge and fold it to, so see these two creases right here? There should be two diagonal folds. So where they hit the two raw edges, fold this edge to these 2 points where those creases hit the edges. And don't fold all the way across. We're just going to make a couple crease marks. Like this. Just a crease mark there and a crease mark there. Unfold and take this edge and fold it to the 2 crease marks. And this time you can fold all the way across. Okay, and now turn over. So here we have the model almost complete. We just need to make it into a flicker. And if you just want like a house inside of a house, see, it's still magical, I think. I'm going to put the light behind it so you can see. Yeah, see, it still works. See, it's still magical. Okay. But I'm going to show you how to make it into a flicker. So, turn over. And we're just going to close off all these edges. So, just fold it. Just fix my light. Okay. Alright, so we're just going to fold this edge up just a tad. Just about like this. It doesn't matter. Or just make it into a flicker. And try and match that all the way around. Doesn't need to be perfect. It's a flicker. We're just closing the edges off. That's all we're doing. Or if you do want a guide mark for these two, then there is one. You can just fold it. Whoa, too much. There you go. You can take this point and fold it to this point like this. Oh yeah, that'll look pretty much the same. Yeah, there's a guide mark for that. But you could just do it to taste if you want. Increase all the way across. And this one I'm just going to just eyeball it. I don't really need that guide mark. Okay, and now to make it fly a little bit better, I recommend giving it a little bit of curvature. Like this. Or actually, I'm going to curve it like this. Because I'm going to flick on this edge. Okay. So I'm going to hold it by the bottom here, like this. And I'm going to flick on this slanted edge. So here we go. Oh, and of course, it's magical, so you turn it over, and the arrow disappears. But if you shine a light from behind it, see, like this, it'll reappear just like that. Okay. Now see how this baby flies. Okay. Alright, so to fly it, it's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm going to hold it right here and flick on this edge. Oh yeah, did you see that? Whoa. Oh yeah, and it's gone. Just went behind my bed. So yeah. And of course, if you'd like, I'm not going to show this, but you can draw on it like what I did here. I just drew a brick wall and a couple windows. That's pretty much all I did. So yeah, and it still flies. Okay, I'm kind of in a hurry, so I need to stop recording. So, alright, hope you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.